Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to cancel your CleanMyMac account. You cannot do this in the software itself, and I also read that you can do it in the App Store, for example, but I did not see the option there. So let's see the proper way to do it. You will go to macpaw.com/login and you log in with your MacPaw account. And in your MacPaw account, I will show you where you can cancel your subscription. For me, I had the 7-day trial and I wanted to cancel this before my account went to a paid account so that I did not have to purchase the account for a full year, for example, and to cancel it before your subscription expires. So here you see that I have Clean My Mac, the Mac cleaner, and you go to Manage. And here you see your subscription details. It says active now. I actually already canceled it. So here it says it's canceled. And if you did not cancel it yet, then you will see a button here, cancel. And then you will see here that it is canceled. And that's that. So just make sure to go to the MacPaw account. Don't go to the software. Don't go to the App Store. And this is how it should be done. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.